Right guys, I'm going to do the 220 giveaway. Magnet store magnet. Ow. Sorry, I was landing on my shoulders. And my elbows even, not my shoulders. Right, there we go, there's the video. There's the time and date right now. There's the, what would they call it, thing. And there's the random thing. That's it, the URL. I forgot what it's called then. The URL's the same, yep, so it's that. And there's the hashtag. Right, it's all set. I think you grab your comments first, don't you? Can't remember how I did it on the 215 giveaway. Right, so just in case it picks one. Right, so good luck to everybody that entered. Right. 41 unique comments. Go down to start. Right, there we go. And start. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Unless you wanted to enter and you didn't. Hey, no way. Hey, I know that name. There we go. John Shaw, you've just won a 220 clamp magnet. That's the comment. Just straight to the point. There's the hashtag. No messing about. That's how you do it. There we go. So, John Shaw. Okay. Right. And then, what I'm going to do is about make the video so you can all see it. But you would have already seen it because you were just watching it. There we go, John. Congratulations. Just won yourself the Magnet Store 220 clamp magnet. And I will get it to you. And I know a couple of ways I can get it to you. There we go. Yeah, contact me on Facebook. You know how to do that, don't you? Sweet. No way. There we go. Hopefully I can get the video up soon if the computer and the internet behave itself. Right. Like and subscribe.